Welcome to an in-depth tutorial that invites you to step into the world of celebrity-inspired beauty, the celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial. This captivating journey is your ticket to unraveling the secrets behind achieving a stunning and glamorous makeup look inspired by your favorite celebrities. Whether you're enamored by the red carpet elegance or simply intrigued by the allure of Hollywood glamour, this video guide is your key to mastering the art of recreating iconic makeup styles that have graced the faces of the stars. The celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial is a celebration of the art of transformation. It's an exploration of how makeup can transcend the ordinary and take you into the realm of star-studded allure. Within this guide, we're unveiling a treasure trove of techniques and insights that allow you to capture the essence of your favorite celebrities and embody their captivating beauty. At the heart of this tutorial lies the art of understanding the signature features that define your chosen celebrity's makeup style. We delve into the nuanced elements that set their look apart, from the way they highlight their eyes to the way they sculpt their cheekbones. By dissecting these elements, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the unique aspects that make their makeup iconic. Techniques play a pivotal role in crafting the celebrity-inspired makeup look that's both awe-inspiring and personalized. We guide you through a step-by-step journey, revealing the secrets behind achieving flawless skin, captivating eyes, and a lip color that exudes confidence. From mastering the intricacies of smoky eye techniques to perfecting the art of contouring and highlighting, each step is designed to help you embody the spirit of your chosen celebrity. But this tutorial is more than just replication. It's about embracing your own unique beauty while drawing inspiration from the stars. We encourage you to infuse your personal touch into the look, adapting it to suit your individual features and preferences. It's about finding a balance between paying homage to your favorite celebrity and allowing your own beauty to shine through. Ultimately, the celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial empowers you to step into the shoes of your favorite celebrities, if only for a moment. It's a tribute to the transformative power of makeup, reminding us that we can capture the glamour and elegance of Hollywood right from our own makeup stations. Armed with a wealth of techniques and the inspiration of your favorite stars, let's embark on this journey of celebrity allure. By the tutorial's culmination, you'll have not only mastered the intricacies of a celebrity-inspired makeup look but also embraced the beauty of interpreting iconic styles in your own unique way. With heartfelt gratitude for joining us on this exploration of celebrity-inspired elegance, let's seamlessly transition into the realm of crafting the celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial, a realm where inspiration harmonizes with artistry to create a look that's both homage and personal expression.